Hello again. Since we're talking about St. Patrick's Day, I thought maybe you'd like something to make the kids happy. So we're going to make some Irish cookies. If you take a piece of paper and a pencil, I'll give you the recipe you need. Are you ready? I'll give you another 30 seconds. Hurry up. My wife's going to shut the phone off. Okay. It's 1½ cups of sugar, 1 cup of margarine or butter, 2 eggs, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. On the dry side, in another bowl, you put ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3½ to 3 3/4 cups of flour. Now you're going to mix each bowl's contents separately. Mix one bowl, mix the other bowl. Then you're going to add them together, and that'll make your dough. Okay? So we'll start. If you have any questions about the recipe, I'll give it again at the end. So right now we need 2 eggs.
Okay. You're on.
I'm on? I'm on. What do you know? 2 eggs. Am I on? Okay. Now, in this bowl, I have 2 eggs, ½ cup of butter, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. In this bowl, we're going to have ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3½ cups of flour. I'm going to put 2 in first. I'm going to mix it together. Now we're going to mix the wet with the dry. Well, unfortunately, we're going to do it this way. Okay, now we had 2 cups in here. You see how it's getting? This is going to be a nice cookie dough. So now we need another cup. But we're going to put it in a little at a time, because depending on altitude, you'll need more or less flour. This here should just about do it. We're going to take the rest of that third cup of flour and put it on the table.
Move that thing, baby.
Knead it nice and tight. Looking pretty good, huh? Maybe I should pick it up and throw it at the wife. Would you go over here and get me the rolling pin? Okay, now the dough looks pretty good. So I got a baking pan here. Spray a little Pam. Original Pam on the bottom. And now we're all ready. I have a star cutter. Remember Lucky Charms? It has hearts and stars and pink hearts.
You're on.
And now we're going to roll the dough. Okay.
On. You're on.
Okay, I'm on. And we're going to cut them out like so. Okay, now we're going to bake these at 350 for 9 to 10 minutes.
Okay. You're on.
Oh,
After what?
see?
What did you say? After what?
First you got to put the green on, the sugar flakes. Am I on?
Yeah.
How much you want to put on is up to you. But I like to get them nice and green.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you're on.
Okay. Now we're rolling the dough back together. All the scrap pieces from that. So we can do it again. We should get about 30 out of this if everything goes well. Spread a little flour around.